Hi, everyone, welcome to Style3D channel. In this video, you will learn how to make the hook pattern, so let's get started. First import the sketch. Then expand the sketch to the appropriate size. Adjust its position. Outline the hook with the pen tool. You can outline half of it first. Use symmetry pattern with edge to get the other half. Press the Ctrl key to draw a curve. Release the Ctrl key to restore the straight line. Double-click to get the graph when finished. Use symmetry pattern with edge to get the full shape. Adjust the shape of the graphics. Continue to use the pen tool to hold down Ctrl to draw curves. Also use symmetry to get the other half. Adjust the outline. Use the shortcut key V to edit the curve points to adjust the shape. Use symmetry pattern with edge to get the full shape. Make fine-tuning to make the shape better meet our requirements. Next, use the ellipse tool to draw a circle and convert to hole. Due to the large particle distance of the pattern, the hole does not look smooth enough. So we reduce the particle distance to 2. Outline the rectangle here with the pen tool. Make an arc with the smooth curve tool. Cut and delete after selection. Convert to hole with ellipse tool. The trick here is to double-click an edge of the circle to select the entire circle. Then, copy and paste. Double-click on one of its edges. Select both and convert to holes. The lower pattern is done. Then we adjust its position. After adjustment, freeze the pattern. Here we check that the length of this line is 9.11 centimeters. So we make a rectangle with a height of 9.11 centimeters and a width of 6 centimeters. Then sew it as the side connection surface of the hook. Set its particle distance to 2. Use Strengthen tool to quickly complete simulations. Duplicate another side pattern. And sewing. Since the second pattern is below the axis, so it floats up when simulated. The solution is to select all the patterns and move it above the ground. And it's back to normal. Observe the shape and make appropriate adjustments. Select all patterns. Then adjust the pattern extra render thickness to 5 and fabric thickness to 2. And turn on the thickness display. This way our patterns have thickness. Next, we continue to make another part of the hook. Use the ellipse tool to outline the pattern. Cut off unnecessary parts. Then use the ellipse tool to convert to whole. Double-click on one of the edges. Use the shortcut key Q. Resize circle. Convert to whole. Also adjust the particle distance to 2. Next is a rectangular pattern. Adjust the points at both ends. Make pattern like a trapezoid. Use rectangle to make the middle part. Mirror paste the above two patterns. Rotate 180 degrees. This part of the pattern is complete. Next we organize and sew these patterns. Adjust their positions first. Sewing. Simulate to see if the shape is accurate. Adjust the shape again. Simulate. Select sewing line. Delete the normal map of the sewing line and change the thickness to 0. Then open Hidden Style3D. Move the parts to the appropriate position. Next we'll select all the patterns and add an extra render thickness of 5 and fabric thickness of 2. Finally, we adjust the properties and colors of the pattern. Lighten the color here. Production of the hook is completed. That's it guys, and I hope some of the tips will help your modeling work. If you like what we do, please liking, commenting and sharing this video. Thanks so much for watching and I will see you in next video. Goodbye.